Hi guys, today we're going to see what are lists in Python, and we are going to see some basic functions we can use with lists. So first of all, a list is a data structure which is denoted by square brackets, and it can contain any kind of data type. For example, an integer, for example 21, uh, a string, for example this. It can have another list inside a list like this, and so this is how we denote a list. Now if we say print a, we get the list like this. So now let's say, for example, a list A is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now if we want to add something at the end, what we can do is a dot append uh, any data structure, any data type we want to add at the end of the string, for example 6. And if I say print a and run the code, as you can see, the integer 6 has been added to the list. Now if we want to add uh, an element in between the list, for example at the index 2. So over here, instead of 3, I want 6. So what we can use is a dot insert, and we put the index first. So we want the index to be 2, and then comma the object, that is 6. Now let's run the code. As you can see, 6 is at the second index now. Now if I want the length of the string, that is the number of elements in the string, so we can say print len, and inside the brackets the list, that is a. If I run the code, as you can see, the length is 5. Now if I want to remove the last item, I can use a dot pop, print a. As you can see, the last item was 5 and it's not there. Now if I want to remove the third index, I can say 3. Now let's run the code. As you can see, the number on the third index is not there. That was 4. If I want the first element, that is the index 0, run the code. As you can see, 1 is gone. So these are some basic functions we can use with lists, and this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.